Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly modern hearing aid that won't break the bank, Retekess might actually have you covered. These newly designed true wireless stereo hearing aids not only look and functions just like regular wireless earbuds, but they have the added perk of enhancing your hearing too. These are the Retekess Hearing Sense 1 hearing aids. Many people assume that since this is an over-the-counter hearing aid that is so affordable, it must simply be an amplifier, not a genuine hearing aid. However, that's not the case here. There is actually a significant distinction between hearing aids and amplifiers, and this self-fitting hearing aid performs pretty well. Nevertheless though, if you're seeking a pair of hearing aids or amplifiers that resemble AirPods, rather than a conventional medical device, these might just be an excellent option for you. So the burning question is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. Now, as you can imagine, with a device like this, you really only get the earphones, a charging case, and a very basic charging cable along with your basic user manual. However, straight out of the box, I will say the charging case and buds make a great first impression. It looks sleek, modern, and nothing like those traditional bulky beige hearing aids that are cluttering the market at the moment. I think if you're someone who wants discreet hearing support without the medical device look, these probably are a solid option. They blend right in just like a pair of regular wireless earbuds, so no one will even know you're wearing a hearing aid. That said though, if you are looking for a more classical fit or advanced customization when it comes to how they sit in your ears, these might not be the perfect match. The only real adjustment you can make is swapping out the ear tips, which is pretty easy to do, but it doesn't offer a truly tailored fit. Still though, if your main priorities are style, subtleness, and everyday convenience, these devices look pretty good. Now, the battery case off the set is easily one of the best parts. It's compact, lightweight, and designed just like the cases you get with true wireless earbuds. Battery life is certainly a big win here, as the case holds 3 extra full charges, giving you up to 48 hours of total usage before you need to actually plug it in. On a single charge, the hearing aids last around 12 hours with Bluetooth off, which is pretty impressive for a budget-friendly option. If you keep Bluetooth on, the battery life does take a hit, but it still holds up well compared to similar products. The only real downside? Well, there's no wireless charging. It uses a USB-C cable, so you'll need to keep that handy. But at this price point, that's a pretty minor complaint here. Now moving on to the features, because these actually have their fair share. The memory function on the hearing aids is such a game changer. It saves you your time and hassle by remembering your last settings, whether it's the volume level or the sound mode you were using. So when you turn them on again, they automatically pick up exactly where you left off. It is a small feature, but it makes a huge difference in making the experience much more seamless and user-friendly. The in-ear detection technology on the set is honestly a pretty decent feature that really improves the overall user experience. One of the most common problems hearing aid users face is that annoying howling or feedback noise, and this smart detection system helps eliminate that issue. It makes everything smoother, quieter, and a lot more convenient. Basically, the hearing aids detect when they're properly placed in your ears, and then they're automatically power on. More importantly though, they stay silent without any of that feedback noise that can happen when the devices aren't seated correctly in your ears. You just simply don't get that. They power on as soon as you pop them in and turn off when you take them off, saving battery and making the whole experience much simpler. Impressively though, these hearing aids are equipped with an FDA-cleared intelligent self-fitting algorithm, allowing users to perform an accurate hearing test at home through the companion app. Once you run the hearing test via the app, the hearing aids will automatically customize their settings based on the accurate measurements from that test. This includes adjustments to things like volume levels, frequency responses, and other personalized settings, ensuring that the hearing aids are optimized for the individual's hearing profile. It is just so simple to do. Beyond automatic customization, the app also supports fine-tuning, giving you complete control over settings like volume, sound modes, and noise reduction. This allows you to adjust the hearing aids in real time to perfectly suit your environment. For example, you can easily switch between modes like normal, restaurant, outdoor, or music based on where you are, ensuring the sound quality adapts to specific situations. If you need a little more or less amplification, you can also make precise adjustments to the volume through the app. It's just been made so simple for you. Now, another useful feature is that noise control. This can just help you manage background noise in noisy environments. While the hearing aids are already equipped with noise reduction technology, the app lets you fine-tune it further, allowing you to create clearer listening experiences in environments like crowded restaurants or busy streets. Although this is a nice feature, I can't honestly hear a massive difference from the already onboard noise cancellation, so I wouldn't say it's that much of a useful feature. Now, these buds do come with dual microphones and noise reduction technology that's designed to amplify speech while reducing background noise, and it generally does a pretty good job. In quiet environments, the sound is crisp and clear, making conversations a breeze. I was able to hear voices more clearly, and people didn't have to repeat themselves as often, which certainly is a nice improvement. However, when I tested these noisier places like a busy coffee shop or a loud restaurant, the noise reduction wasn't perfect. While it did help with background noise, it didn't completely eliminate it, which sometimes made conversations a bit harder to follow. I'll give you an example. Like in the coffee shop, I could still hear the clinking of cups and other people's chatter. It didn't make things impossible, but it was a bit distracting. If you spend a lot of time in loud environments, this is something to keep in mind. However, overall for the price though, I'd say the sound quality is pretty good. You definitely notice an improvement in clarity, especially in quieter settings. But if you are hoping for top tier noise cancellation and complete silence from background sounds, these might fall a bit short. Still, they offer great value for the cost, especially if you're looking for a budget friendly option. Now, these do have an IP64 rating, meaning they're resistant to dust and splashes. It is a nice bonus for everyday use, but just keep in mind they aren't completely waterproof. So who are these exactly for? Well, if you're looking for a budget-friendly modern hearing aid with a solid app functionality, strong battery life and decent sound quality, the Retekess Hearing Sense ones are a great choice. They're perfect for people with mild to moderate hearing loss who want something discreet, easy to use and somewhat hassle-free. While they do a good job at reducing background noise, they're not quite on the level of more premium options, and that is something to consider. Overall though, for the price, I think these are a fantastic option for casual day use, offering good value without breaking the bank. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.